Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Saturday to Monday, October 1 to 3, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Now, let's begin with our update. Here's the latest WAVSAT for today's Saturday, and this is valid for the next 48 hours until Monday. As we've mentioned during the past few days, the Easterlies will return, and it's now here, affecting the Batanes, Babuyan Cobab Islands, the eastern coastal areas of Luzon, Bicol Region, and Eastern Visayas. So there will be some rain showers and thunderstorms expected, particularly in the afternoon or evening, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain good or fair, with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, or just the usual tropical weather conditions across the Philippine Islands. Watch out for possible lightning strikes and some quick flooding when we have an extreme thunderstorm occurring in your areas. And outside of Par, we don't have anything, just a surface trough moving to the south of Guam. And this is not expected to intensify. We have here severe tropical storm Roque, which is moving so fast towards the east-northeast at a speed of 43 kph. It's still tracking winds of 110 kph, and it's moving across the open seas of the Western Pacific, east-southeast of Japan, and Roque will just be a part of a frontal system. So for the next 24 hours, this will become a part of that frontal system, and that's the end of that tropical cyclone. And here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. As you can see, the Philippine Islands is devoid of any tropical cyclone activity. Surface trough here. We have here the intertropical convergence zone, and here's Roque moving so fast across the sea east of Japan. Nothing to worry about. Now let's take a look at our multi-track. This is the tracking of Roque. As you can see, it's now here, and that's the one of the remaining tracking of Roque. It's no longer affecting any landmass. Now here's the windy.com zoom in. Now here's the windy.com zoom in satellite animation for the Philippine Islands. As you can see, the prevailing easterlies are generating some multiple thunderstorms heading across the eastern sections of northern and central Luzon, also the Bicol Region and Eastern Visayas. So these easterlies will bring some thunderstorms as well. So the easterlies will bring some thunderstorms across the eastern sections of the country. So don't forget to bring your umbrella, rain gear. As you can see, for the next 3 days until Monday, more rainfall will be expected across the eastern sections of Luzon, including Bicol Region, but only concentrated along the eastern seaboards or over the coastal waters of these affected areas. But don't be surprised if you experience some rains and thunderstorms, as the easterlies is expected to prevail through Monday, as you can see here from the latest wind forecast from the European model. By tomorrow afternoon, the easterlies will continue across the areas of Eastern Luzon and the Bicol Region, as well as on Monday. So far, that's the latest for the next 3 days from our monitoring facilities, from what we see right now. And for the next 10 days, it's still clear, no tropical cyclone development. And we will return again on Monday to give you more updates on the weather. Again, this is Mike Padua. See you again next week. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.